Good morning, class 3 students. So, in our previous class, we have discussed the story of the ostrich and the hedgehog, and in which we got to know the all the circumstances which these two creatures have faced, and you got to know that how intelligently hedgehog has won the race from the ostrich. He already know that he couldn't beat ostrich in his physical strength, so he applied his own intelligence and won the race. Now today in this video I am going to have the discuss these exercises. So which is I will start from D3 now, in which we have to complete the following statements. Now, on the basis of your reading the story, complete the following statement. One beautiful morning, a hedgehog met an ostrich. The ostrich did not greet the hedgehog because he was very proud of his long legs. You can write also that he do not want to talk to a stumpy creature. It was decided to run the race at midday because the hedgehog wanted to eat his breakfast. Every time the ostrich reached the end of the barley row, he found a hedgehog waiting for him. The hedgehog at the end of barley rows were actually the original hedgehog's relatives. The last hedgehog was fresh and smiling because he has not participated in the race. The last hedgehog was fresh and smiling because he has not participated in the race. Now, the next one. On the other hand, the ostrich was tired and had sore feet because he was continuously running the race. Now, number D4. The story brings out different characteristics of the ostrich and the hedgehog. Draw lines to match the qualities. Proud is applicable for the ostrich. Foolish is again used for ostrich. Clever will be applied on hedgehog. Fast, ostrich. Cheerful, hedgehog. Sulky, ostrich. Now, here you can see there are two columns drawn on that in the page, and in one column the word ostrich and in other hedgehog is written. What we have to do, we have to divide these qualities into different columns which are used for these two animals, and now we have to find out the lines from it which we could prove these characteristics of the animals from the story. So this will be your home assignment. Now D5, I can give you before that I can give you one example. Suppose if I am using proud, I am writing proud for ostrich. So the line which he had spoken in the story, that I do not want to talk to a stumpy creature like you, is used for the hedgehog, which shows that ostrich was very much proud of his long legs. So in the same way you all are going to do this as your home assignment. Now comes D5. Find words from the story which mean the same as the following. The cereal plant, barley. 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 Border, edge. Edge. Short and thick, stumpy. 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 Noon, midday. Mid, mid, day, midday. Long steps, strides. Pain from injury, that is sore. Now use our words to fill in the blanks. The baby sleeps from midday to evening. The baby was standing at the edge of the mountain. Ravi saw a barley field in the village. After the fight, the boxer had sore muscles. The giant took long strides to catch the naughty dwarf. Now, in D7, what we have to do? We have to imagine ourselves as hedgehog, and when we were doing the story of this ostrich and the hedgehog, I have explained you how the hedgehog had made plans with his family relatives for beating the ostrich in the race. Now what we have to do in this exercise, that we have to imagine ourselves as a hedgehog, and we have to express ourselves in form of a short paragraph, that how I, the hedgehog, not me, the hedgehog has fooled the ostrich. Now that's all for today, kids. Now we will do the value based questions on tomorrow class.